Hello once again, this is Vishwajit from SMARTDrive. Today my friend asked me for air conditioner noise. So let me know you how much noise it will make to operate with an air conditioner. As you increase this blower, the noise increases, but it is definitely the blower noise, not anything else, so you need not to worry much. If it is for power 2 or 1, there is no issue. Increasing a bit, you can have larger noise for the blowers. Now we'll briefly check what is the outside condition. So we'll just start a car. So air conditioner system will be starting. As you can see, I have started the car. No noticeable changes in the blower noise, but you can slightly observe that there is a noise of radiator fan. So let's see how radiator fan works and how much noise it creates. So that's it. That was a radiator fan noise, and this was a blower speed noise. No additional noises made by car. In case you find some abnormal noises like clicking or switching something, so I will recommend you to just get it serviced before you can face any more problem. Thank you.